Sometimes your eyes are even better than mine. Sasuke is in the darkness. Now, get going. You are the only person who can save him.
Uh-huh. Trust me, I know that. You know, Sasuke and I, we may not be real brothers, but I believe that we can make peace.
Now that Itachi's gone, I finally feel truly alone. But there's still Naruto. He's the one person that I have to cut down.
Because
And that's because, to me,
we're pretty good friends.
Naruto's still who I'd call my closest friend.